Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So we have FOMC interest rate news this evening. Definitely a big news event for the dollar pairs. I will be live streaming on YouTube for that, starting 30 minutes before the news comes out, so make sure to stop in for that. But anyways, on the on the euro dollar 1 hour time frame, to me it really looks like a wave one and a wave two. This big push down right here looks like it's all a wave three. I think we're in a wave four right now. Most wave fours do go to like the 38%. So between now and the news event, we could end up drifting up to like the 38% or so for like a wave four, and then maybe at the news is when we'll get a push down for a wave five, or maybe at the news we'll get like a spike up, hit the 38%, and then continue down. Seems like a really likely possibility that we got at least one more wave to the downside ahead of us. And who knows, maybe it's just going to keep on going down, and maybe it's a complete trend reversal on the higher time frames. As in, it's not a wave five, and it's just a subdivision of a much larger downtrend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.